In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix. By the end, you'll have a polished, on-brand cursor that adds personality to your site without slowing anything down. Start by opening the inspector pane on the right side of the Wix editor. This is where you control the visual styling of your site elements. Inside the inspector, switch to the Design tab, the one marked with the paintbrush icon. This tab centralizes your appearance settings so you don't have to hunt around for them later. Next, scroll down until you see the cursor section. This area is dedicated to how the mouse pointer looks as visitors navigate your site. Click the option that says Add Image or SVG. Here, you can choose the graphic that will replace the default pointer. If you already have a custom icon ready, you can upload it directly. If not, you can browse media from Wix to quickly try out options and get a feel for what works with your design. When choosing a graphic, aim for something simple, high contrast, and easy to recognize at a small size. Transparent PNGs work well, and SVGs are great if you want a crisp, scalable look that stays sharp on any screen. After you've picked your file, select Add to Site. This applies the cursor across your pages so you can see it in context. Right below that, you'll find a size slider. Drag it to adjust how large or small the cursor appears. Subtle changes make a big difference. Too small, and visitors may struggle to see it. Too large, and it can get in the way of reading or clicking. A comfortable size usually sits somewhere in the modest range, large enough to be visible but not so big that it distracts from your content. When you're happy with your selection and size, click the eye icon at the top right to preview your site. This preview lets you test the cursor in real time without publishing. Move around your pages, hover over buttons, images, and text, and check how the cursor reads against light and dark backgrounds. If it feels oversized or hard to see, return to the inspector and nudge the slider until it looks just right. And that's it. You've added a custom cursor to your Wix site, tuned its size, and previewed it to make sure it feels professional and on brand. Keep your design clean, keep legibility in mind, and your new cursor will enhance your site's personality without getting in the way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your site.